Hello, so for today's Tech Tip Tuesday, I want to show you one of my most used extensions. I'm not sure if it'll be your most used, but I use this probably 7 or 8 or 9 times a day. And it is a basic screen capture, but with an annotation tool. So I'll show you what that's all about. First of all, like for any extension, you're going to go to the Google Chrome store and log in. You're going to make sure you're signed into Chrome so that you can actually see your extensions. And remember, if you are on a Chromebook, you're going to add a person, and that's how you know you'll be signed into Chrome. So what you are looking for is called Nimbus. And so you head into Nimbus. Here you would accept it, and then you would allow the authorizations. Basically, it will say, allow me to annotate any page, and you would accept it. And then what does it mean? Well, as soon as you accept it, you're going to have a little N with a square around it on your Google Chrome bar. And so, for example, when I'm on my library website on the research page, I know that sometimes students forget that the passwords are on there. So this is just one example of something I would use. So I'm going to hit my Nimbus. You could do the visible part of the page or a fragment. I almost always do a selected area. You can also do a browser window as well. So I just drag it to where I want to take a picture. And then it has an X if you made a mistake and you want to start again. It has a check mark if you just basically want that picture and you want to embed it and save it as a JPEG. But I always use the edit button. What I like about the edit button is now it gives me annotation tools. So my students may not see the arrow. So I'm going to go arrow right here. And then I could say text, passwords are here. So you can see, and I can move that to there. Then when I hit done, and there are lots of other things you can do, right? You can create like a text with an arrow box in it. You can resize this image if you want to. Sometimes I use it just to resize images because I need a bigger size or a smaller size. You can rotate it. You can do whatever you want with it. So it's just a handy dandy little tool for editing photos. And when I hit done, you can create a free account. I don't think I ever have, but you can if you want. I basically go save as image or save as PDF. So I hit save as image and it will download, and I will call it research passwords. You can call it whatever you want, and voila, you save it to your downloads and you have an image now that you've annotated. And that's it. That's what I really like. We'll talk soon.